Hi everyone. If you love bowling, then definitely wanted to recommend you a few places you could visit in Doha. Qatar Bowling Center is a newly built place in Doha. Really nice place. Very crowded though. So if you go on a weekend, I recommend that you go earlier, or else there's massive queues and waiting. Probably like 3 hours we had to wait on a Friday to get our name through, but still a decent place. Quite a number of lanes that you could potentially bowl on. You've got table tennis, gaming arenas, and billiard tables that you can sort of probably do a bit of waiting on and play those games while you get your bowling lane ready. Then next we visited another bowling center called 300 Bowling Club based in Hazm Al Markhiya. A really cool looking place with some really fancy neon lights, a cafe to have your coffee and drinks while you play, a gaming area, billiard and ping pong on the side, and a good number of lanes, probably around I think 20 lanes. Price was very reasonable. I think it was around 25 Qatari riyals per game per person. And in terms of queues, there were not massive waiting. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.